Hi, I'm Darren, this is Orn and Ananda. Welcome back to our garden. Today we're going to do a cooking recipe and we are going to show you 2 ways to cook pumpkin. Our pumpkin vines have produced a sea of leaves and shoots, so today we're going to show you how to cook Thai style pumpkin vine. And we're also going to show you how to cook a delicious Thai pumpkin curry. We don't actually have any pumpkin on our plants yet, so here's one that we bought from the shop. They are starting to grow, but our vines are not flowering yet, so we're going to show you how to cook these little runners here. Orn is going to find the appropriate ones. Just cutting off the tips of them. We've had this before and it is delicious. Great way to use your excess pumpkin tips. Runners everywhere in here. As I said, really is a sea of pumpkin that we've got here now. Hopefully we're going to get lots of fruit. Nothing so far, no sign of any flowers flowering. So how many of these are we going to get?
One cook got about 10 or 15.
About 10 or 15.
Enough now?
How many do we have there?
12?
Okay. Let's hit the kitchen, yeah?
Yes.
Back in the kitchen, and what are we going to cook on?
Pumpkin curry with pork and stir fry this pumpkin with shrimp. I don't know what they.
Pumpkin runner, pumpkin stem. All our ingredients are assembled here. Orn's going to talk us through them. So what are our ingredients for the pumpkin curry?
Coconut milk, pumpkin, pork, and stock powder, red curry paste, palm sugar, light soy sauce, and shrimp paste. This kaffir lamb and Thai basil.
Thai sweet basil. You could use normal sweet basil for this if you needed to. The Thai one does have a slightly different flavour. Orn's already cut the pork. And she's also cut the pumpkin. For our other dish, what are we using here? We've got our pumpkin runners.
And soy sauce, garlic, brown sugar, oyster sauce.
Raw sugar, that one.
And shrimp.
And shrimp or prawns. Okay, chef, what is first?
First, we cut this.
Pumpkin stems?
Yes. Not cut too long, no?
About 1 1/4 inches long, about 30 millimeters long. So the ends, what are we going to do with them?
Fire bin.
Okay. Garlic next.
Yes, peel and
Crush.
I crush for easy to peel. Finish, start to cook.
high or low heat for this one?
Medium.
Medium heat. And then 2 tablespoons of oil.
And chopped garlic.
And put the chopped garlic in.
Stir until get smell home.
Until fragrant.
And we add shrimp.
Yeah.
And add the pumpkin thing.
Add the pumpkin stems.
And water.
And water. How much water?
100 ml.
That's smelling good.
And we put high fire
Turn the flame to high.
for make it cook same time with shrimp.
Okay.
For not shrimp too much cook and will brown. When this the halfway cook, we add the soy sauce,
Soy sauce in.
oyster sauce,
Oyster sauce.
and sugar. It's cooked now.
Yeah.
Ready. Okay.
Okay. Beautiful. Smells good. Next, the curry.
Bring coconut milk to boil with low heat.
So we're using 500 milliliters of coconut milk for this one.
Already finished. Wait until boil now. It's boiling now. And we turn to medium fire because we need low fire to bring this well because we make a well from this one for look good color. Now put curry paste and stir for it all milk.
So it dissolves. Now that that's dissolved, we're going to put the kaffir lime in. So Orn's going to shred that. Stems out and into the curry.
And pumpkin next. We will boil until pumpkin it turn to soft. Okay, it's cooked now. Now we add meat. After add meat, we wait until it's boil again. Now boil, we add the stock powder. Palm sugar
Sugar.
and shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste. This is a special shrimp paste from Koh Lanta.
Yes.
Yeah, if you go to Koh Lanta, get some shrimp paste. It's famous there.
Light soy sauce.
And light soy sauce.
And stir for everything mix.
That smells good. Yum.
Everything mixed. Now we turn off gas and we put Thai basil. Put basil and we leave for 1 minute.
Lunch is served. Thank you, chef.
You're welcome.
It looks great. So there's two ways of preparing pumpkin using both the plant and the fruit from it. This curry is one of Vaughan's favourite curries. It's more like a soupy curry. It's quite milky and watery, but absolutely delicious. She gets cravings for this one regularly. I've got to take her to the Musselman restaurant in Ao Nang where they serve a great version of this. How is it? Aroy. Sweet, coconutty, milky, a little spicy, nice basil flavour. Very, very yummy. It looks delicious. Grab a prawn and some of pumpkin stem. Orna will have another recipe for pumpkin stem coming on her channel very soon with egg, yeah? We also do like that one. Orna cooked it recently and it was absolutely delicious.
Crispy stem.
Very crispy and crunchy. This great flavour. Little salty, slightly sweet. Very, very tasty. And the prawns, nice and juicy by the look. Great flavour combination in that one. So that's two very easy ways of cooking pumpkin Thai style. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll have another one coming very soon. See you then. Bye for now.